Okay, so let's look at how you can tidy up this work. Now, to tidy it up, we're going to use a little technique, and some people call it cheat. Well, I don't know what you call it. Okay, now with this, I'll select the image first. Okay, and there's this icon here which is called layer mask. So click on layer mask and make sure your color here is black and white. Make sure your foreground and your background. So this is the foreground. Okay, make it black and then make sure the background is white. And there's a reason why we have to do it that way. Okay, so now we go to brush. Okay, choose a brush and make sure your brush is a basic brush. Make sure your brush is a basic brush. Now to make sure, you click on this icon and then you make sure that you've chosen a basic brush. Okay, click on OK. Now because that's what we're going to use. Now choose a soft edge brush. You can decide to increase the size or something. Now this is what it does when you have this layer mask selected. So you select the layer mask. Now zoom in. Let me explain the layer mask to you. Now look at what happens. I can clean this image. Okay, funny, looks like spot. Now you can see that there's this black thing here. Now click here, okay, to change to white, and then you see you can bring it back. So that's why we are using it to tidy it. Okay, so now when I go to the image, okay, to zoom, okay, now you see that there's these white things here I want to get rid of. There are several ways you can do. You can use the dodge and bend to solve this issue. Okay, now first of all, you reduce the size of the brush. Okay, so click here and you can reduce it. The shortcut is using the calligraphy brackets after the O and P key, after the P key. Okay, the left calligraphy bracket is to make it smaller, the right calligraphy bracket is to make it big. So you take note. Now you can just go there. Now white means you are bringing back, so let's go to black. Okay, we change this to X, means black. Okay, so black. So you see what happens. See, I'm tidying the work up. So you take your time. Okay, this is how to tidy it up. Okay, so I use this technique to tidy it up. I say you want to tidy it up, so see. Okay, if you make a mistake, just go back, make this white, and bring it back. Okay, so let's, okay, how is it to tidy your work up? Okay, you see how I'm doing it. So okay, this one too. So you take your time and then you can use this to tidy it up. Now one good thing about this is that it lets the image blends with the background. Now when you master this technique, anytime you do cropping, people will think that the person even took the photograph with the background. So, and one thing is that using the mouse is quite difficult. So if you want, or you don't want any wahala, get a stylus and then connect it and then learn how to use your stylus and then you'll be good to go. So but you can master the mouse and then still use it, because most of us we use the mouse and still we are good to go. So you see I'm able to tidy it a bit. I think I have to tidy up the seat, the back of the seat. Okay, let me see, yeah, tidy up. Mhm. Okay, let me tidy out this thing too. So you see I'll be able to tidy up. So you can use the same technique to do this other part too as well. Okay, later in the tutorial I'll see how to adjust the brightness and contrast of it before you send it out to a client. Now let me give you this cool tip too. anytime you do a cropping, you duplicate it. Now in Photoshop, the way to duplicate it is that you right click on duplicate layer, and then what happens is that you have two images so that anytime you make a mistake, you still have the other one. Thank you for watching.